The Resource Manager in RoboHelp 10 is also highly useful with text. In an earlier video, we saw how well it works with graphics, as in the case here, where one graphic was changed universally, and we can see the preview down below. Let's take a look at how Resource Manager, which are your shared resources shared across all team members, can also be used with Snippets, a feature that we've explored earlier. You'll see that we actually have some snippets in here, and here's a simple one about a trademark statement, and it has the word trademark in all caps. I would actually like to use this in my project, so I'm simply going to drag it over to my snippet area, to my snippet library, if you will, and I'm going to go into a different topic and use the snippet a couple times to show how it will change globally when I wish. So I'm going to go ahead and add one snippet here, and here we can see a copyright statement. It appears in gray. I'm going to go ahead and add it a second time so we can see it twice, and then let's take a quick look at the preview. And in the preview you can see that the word trademark inside of the snippet is appearing in all caps, and we're going to make a minor change to that. So let's go ahead and close the preview. Now, although this snippet actually resides inside of our Resource Manager, so it's being shared and used universally by all of our team members, there could come a time that we need to update this or make a change to it. And we can do this within RoboHelp by having one instance go in and actually edit it. And in this case, we're going to change trademark to upper lowercase. We're also going to make the text to be bold and italic, and I think we'll also change it, I think we may also change the color. So we'll go ahead and make this kind of a magenta color, and then I think we'll put the magenta color behind it. Actually, what I'd like to do instead is I think I will leave that white, but I'd like to change the text color to magenta. That's even better. And then I think what I'll also do to make this stand out a little bit is change Adobe Systems to bold, all caps. Just want something so that it will indeed look different. Now I'm going to go ahead and save this, and as I save this, you'll see I have what looks like a little broken link over here, which is showing me that my instance is no longer matching what's going on in the Resource Manager. So one of the ways that I can reconcile this is to choose it, and under the Resource Manager dialog, decide that I would like to sync this back with the Resource Manager, which I'm doing right now. And as I do this, this is actually going to update it over in the Resource Manager area. So I'm going to go over here and also say that I would just like this to update itself properly. So now that I've done that, and I've actually said that I'd like this to simply sync itself, now we can go back over to see what's happened. And you'll see that it actually has updated in both locations. If you look closely here in the text, you'll see that where I've selected it here, that Adobe Systems is in all caps, but also notice over here the preview has updated within our Resource Manager, where shared resources are coming from for everyone. So let's now take a look at that through the preview and compare it to what we saw before. So I'm going to click in here, and as you go into the preview, you can clearly see that the word trademark is in purple, and we also see that Adobe Systems has changed to all caps. So that's just a quick example of how you can use the Resource Manager for portions of text that must be globally the same throughout your project. This concludes our RoboHelp demonstration.